If you're cutting lightweight materials such as cardboard on a laser cutter, you're inevitably going to have to hold it down, and a lot of people use duct tape, and that can be problematic because it pulls away the material. So today we are going to create these cool looking laser cut hold downs on the Glowforge laser cutter. So I first want to be very clear with what we're going to be making here. So this is the old way of doing it. I grab my roll of duct tape here. I got to hold this down because I found that cardboard is best when you do two passes. So that's using the duct tape, and that's not enough. I'm going to use these things that I'm going to create today, these little hold downs, which have a metal washer behind. They have my little logo and a nice little piece of recycled wood up there. They fit perfectly inside of the crumb tray. I first drew them in Illustrator. This is 1.25 inches wide with an 1/8 inch hole. I cut those out on the laser cutter, and I did 4 at a time. Then I assembled everything, and then I glued a 1.25 inch washer to the backside to give it a nice little bit of weight. And then I took these pins, they're roll pins made from Harbor Freight. The whole box is $4. And then I pounded it through the front on each of the 4. I created 4 at a time. Then I added a little bit of super glue, any kind of super glue, to hold it down. And I made sure that this is flush here at the top. So if this laser cutter is coming by, you don't want it to run into there. You're already losing a quarter of an inch. You can make this as thin as possible, but it's really important that you have this washer to give it the weight. And after you're done, you just pick it up, and there you put your little cute little tray over to the side, and your nice little piece. This will be cut out later on. So that's it. Have fun, make as many as you want, and whatever you do, make something that connects you with other people.